So, if it is servant leadership, who is the boss? John or Lester?
John.
John is the boss. So, Lester has to take care of John. Because if John will not take care, if Lester will not take care of John, who will book the rooms? Right? Because in leadership, we don't create followers. We don't create someone that when I say something, oh, that person will follow what I said because I have the authority. No. Because we're not being paid here. Like, why will they follow you? So in Toastmasters, leaders create leaders. Leaders don't create followers. Okay? So, following so far? Okay so far? Okay, so again, servant leadership, you will also learn practical tools. And leadership, we don't create followers. We create leaders. We create leaders. So, okay. So, yes, we discussed about that. So,